What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So we are going on a ride again today. We are going to Kailasagiri. I guess it's somewhere next to Kolar, I suppose. I have no idea about that. So this is Manoj. Hi bro.
How are you?
Fine bro. Okay, so let me put my Google map. Okay, so the time right now is 5:23 a.m. in the morning and it's 19 degrees Celsius. Let's put the map and let's go. Okay, so 1 hour 47 minutes and 78 kilometer. Let's go. Wait. Okay, so I don't know much about this place that we are going to, that is Kailasagiri Hills. I know that it's a hill. It's in the name. Other than that, I also know that there's a bit of off-roading. Not a bit actually, there's a lot of off-roading, I heard. Some of my friends said that there's a lot of off-roading. So let's see how that goes, because I'm thrilled for the off-roading part. Oh my god, there's a lot of people here. This place is jam-packed in the morning. Why? What is happening? Where is Corona? I can see the sun rising over there. I mean, I cannot see it, but I can see the light. Sun is about to come in, boy. I'm not a morning guy, but when it comes to riding, hell yeah, I'm a morning guy. I wake up whatever time it is, even if it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, no problemo. But I'll have my difficulties to wake up, like I'll be lazy, but sometimes I just wake up, I'll just sleep again, just go back to sleep, that's all. So I'm aware that I have a decent fan base in the sense, not a huge one. As you guys can see my subscriber count, it's a decent one, but I love them. Always supporting people. I love all of you guys, the Instagram DMs, YouTube comments, and everything has been so good. You guys are the best. So I had stated that I'll be doing a long ride this month. I had to push the dates a bit to the end of this month. So I'll be doing the long ride for sure. That's not being postponed or anything or being cancelled. I'll be doing the long ride for sure. I'll be revealing the place where I'm riding to at the end of the month. Maybe like 2 days before I ride. Yeah. Okay, this is the toll gate. I don't know which toll gate this is because it's been so long since I came here. I guess this is the Hoskote toll gate. Not sure though. No idea. Where are you, Manoj? I need a fist bump. I'm craving for a fist bump. Look at that sunrise. I'm just gonna wait here. I guess that's the Nilgiri Hills. അല്ല ഞാനിപ്പോൾ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ Oh, sorry, Kailasagiri Hills. It's not Nilgiri, it's Kailasagiri Hills. Sheh, Tetipoi. Yeah, I mean, I guess it is the Kailasagiri Hills. Not sure. Dude, is this real or is that a wallpaper over there? Okay. Why are we going here? Is this the way? I have no idea. Google Maps is showing this way, so why not? Okay. ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ? Okay. I guess this is the road that we have to take. Oh yeah, this is the one. I guess it is the one. What is this place? Insane. ನೀನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡು ರೂಟು.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡು.
ಓಕೆ. Bro, this place is insane. This is so nice. We are still going. How many kilometers is this? It will be at least 3 to 4 kilometers of pure off-roading, I suppose. Oh man. It's kind of windy in here. still going. You know what? I'm sitting. I'm done. No, I have to stand for this. Holy crap. ಅದೇ so windy. Hello. This is extremely windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me. If you guys cannot hear me, then I'm sorry for the noise. We are still going, by the way. This is this is approximately 3 to 5 kilometers. I saw. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Holy. Still. Oh my god. So apparently there was another route to go to the temple or something. I guess that's the temple. Not sure though. Yeah, there's another route for that, so we'll go there. But this is, man, insane. ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೇ I hope it stays. So we'll take some photo. I mean, look at this. Oh my god. Insane. No words. Sir, ba.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಗುರು, ಹೇಳಿ ಹುಷಾರಾಗತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಶಬಾಷ್.
ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ಸವ್ರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
This view is insane. You wanna see? You wanna see? Okay, bye bye. To be honest, I'm lucky to come here because this is absolutely insane. I know GoPro might not do justice to this view, but oh man, puri rickshaw ladi poli. If you have a Himalayan, just come here. Just don't think of anything, just come here. You'll have a lot of fun. This off-roading is insane. We are just having too much fun. I guess we are about to say goodbye to this location. And again, this area is kind of spooky to me because I feel like some wild animal is going to jump on me. And I'm scared of wild animals because I have normal balls, you know. Some dudes are not even scared of wild animals. Like how? They must have balls of titanium alloy, for sure. So there we go. That's an end. Insane, man. Insane. Like I loved it so much. Trust me, this place is insane. If you want to have fun and chill for a bit, you can come here. I would rate this place 11 out of 10. I mean it. Okay, we came to have breakfast. Udupi Utsav. I don't know where this place is, so please don't ask me what this location or what this is. Okay guys, so we are going back to home right now. We had our breakfast. The ride is going so good. Love the ride today. Yeah, I guess that's it for the video, guys. So you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.